Welcome, everyone. This training session is a critical part of our commitment to safety and quality here at Monarch Plastics. We'll be covering our company's official food defense and food fraud plan. The goal is to ensure every one of us understands our role in protecting our products, our customers, and our company. This isn't just about meeting standards like SQF, HACCP, GMP, and Operational Clean Sweep. It's about actively defending the integrity of every single container we produce. Welcome everyone to our food defense section. Now, we all know how important food safety is, preventing accidental contamination to keep our products safe. Food defense is a bit different, but just as critical. Here in Kenosha, as we manufacture packaging for the food industry, food defense is about proactively protecting our facility and our products from intentional harm. This means preventing anyone from deliberately trying to contaminate or tamper with the plastic containers and bottles we produce. While food safety focuses on unintentional errors, food defense is about security and vigilance against deliberate acts. Our goal is simple: to ensure the integrity of our products and the safety of the food they will hold. Every one of us plays a vital role in this defense. Our company's policy on food defense is clear. Monarch Plastics is committed to protecting our products from any acts of intentional adulteration or fraud. Our food defense and food fraud plan, signed by our management, is our playbook for achieving this. This plan establishes the procedures and assigns responsibilities to ensure the safety and integrity of our entire production process, from the moment raw materials arrive until our finished containers ship out. To manage our plan effectively, we have a dedicated HACCP team, led by our HACCP coordinator. While this team guides our efforts, safety and quality are truly everyone's responsibility, especially for those of you on the floor. Your role as an employee is absolutely critical. Be aware of our policies, follow the procedures we'll discuss today, and report any concerns immediately to your supervisor or any member of the HACCP team. Every single person on the floor are the eyes and ears. Your vigilance is the most important asset in preventing hazards and ensuring the safety and quality of every bottle and container you produce. A detailed vulnerability assessment was conducted to identify areas where we might be at risk of intentional contamination. Based on this risk assessment, we focus on key areas, including exterior security, such as access to our property, truck staging areas, and the outdoor equipment like silos; interior security, this includes our receiving docks, warehouse storage for raw materials and finished goods, and critical production areas like mixing stations and molding machines; personnel and visitor security, managing who has access to our facility and sensitive areas. We evaluate these points to understand the potential risks and implement controls to mitigate them. Based on our vulnerability assessment, we've implemented specific controls you see and participate in every day. These are not optional. They are essential parts of our defense. For exterior security, we use fencing, controlled gates, and security cameras. All drivers must check in and remain in designated areas. For interior security, access to production and warehouse areas is restricted to authorized personnel. Critical areas like surge bins and McGuire mixings require heightened awareness. We use security seals on certain containers and conduct regular security checks. For personnel, all visitors must sign in and be escorted at all times. Employee access is controlled, and as per our plan, we may conduct locker inspections. For IT and cybersecurity, we also protect our digital systems to prevent tampering with formulas or production schedules. Now let's turn to food fraud. This is deception for economic gain. For us, the biggest risk is in our supply chain. For instance, a supplier providing a cheaper, unapproved, or counterfeit raw material, like a substandard or non-food grade resin or colorant. This could compromise the safety, quality, and structural integrity of our containers, putting our customers and the end consumer at risk, regardless of the product. Our plan is a strong program to prevent this. Focuses on two key areas: supplier approval. We don't buy from just anyone. Every supplier of raw materials must go through an approval process, including audits and verification of their own safety programs. Raw material inspection and verification. This is a key point where many of you are directly involved. When materials arrive, we verify the supplier, check for intact seals, and ensure the certificate of analysis matches the delivery and our specifications. Any discrepancy is a red flag that must be reported. If a security breach or suspicious activity occurs, our plan outlines a clear incident response procedure. Your immediate responsibility is to report it. Tell your shift supervisor or a HACCP team member right away. provide as much detail as possible. The HACCP team will then take over, following our documented procedures to investigate, contain the situation, and communicate with authorities if necessary. Never hesitate to report something that seems out of place. A quick response is crucial to preventing a minor issue from becoming a major incident. Following our food defense and food fraud plan is non-negotiable. It's about compliance, meeting the legal and certification requirements of SQF, FSMA, and our customers. Universal customer trust. All our customers, for every container type, depend on our unwavering commitment to safety and quality. Broad public health and consumer safety. Adulteration linked to our packaging can cause widespread harm across diverse products and end users. Protecting them all is our priority. Our reputation and jobs. An incident with any container type impacts our entire Kenosha operation and all markets we serve. A serious occurrence can have devastating impacts on our company and everyone who works here. Finally, a key part of our plan is documentation. We keep detailed records of everything, from your training today to security checks, raw material inspections, and supplier audits. These records prove our system is working. Our food defense plan isn't static. It is reviewed at least annually by management and updated continuously to address new threats and improve our defenses. Your participation is a key part of that improvement. So, to recap, food defense is about preventing intentional contamination. Food fraud is about preventing deception for economic gain. We have vulnerability assessments and control plans in place. Supply chain security is critical. Your vigilance and prompt reporting are essential. See something, say something. The Monarch Group is fully committed to maintaining a robust food defense and anti-food fraud culture. This includes ongoing training, regular reviews of our plans, and supporting you in your crucial role. Thank you for your attention. Protecting our products is a team effort, and here at Monarch Plastics, that effort truly starts and ends with each and every one of you on the floor. Your vigilance, your adherence to policies, and your commitment every single day are absolutely vital. You are our first and most important line of defense against intentional harm to our products. Do you have any questions about our food defense plan or your specific role in it? Please feel free to ask now utilizing the Comment to Administrator section at the end of this module, or speak directly with your shift supervisor or our HACCP coordinator. Remember, your eyes and actions on the floor make all the difference in keeping Monarch Plastics products safe and secure for the world.